So I just got home from work. I wasn't there very long because I found out that I tested positive for COVID, which I have never had COVID. So many things to like unbox here. One, I'm very grateful that I was able to go literally almost 3 years with never having COVID. I'm not feeling in full health. I'm gonna be completely honest, but I do feel way better than I did on Monday. It is now Wednesday morning. Monday, I felt fine in the morning. I totally felt fine until about 1 or 2 o'clock in the afternoon, and I just had the worst body aches. I was so fatigued. I only had little spurts of energy. And by little spurts of energy, I mean like I could get up off the couch, come fill up my like half gallon of water, go pee, and then I'm like, oh my god, I need to lay back down. Like, I typically have 8 or 9 shows a week. On top of that, I always work at least 40 hours a week, but typically it's anywhere from 40 to 70 hours a week on top of my show hours. So I just thought my body was really tired and was just like, girl, you need to rest, because I honestly just always chronically feel tired. I think it's part of like my anemia. It's a part of my iron deficiency. It's just kind of something I've always dealt with in my life, so I didn't think twice about it. Also, I was just coming off of getting sick. I lost my voice here and there, and so I just didn't think anything of it. And I thought, you know, I came into the show last night and so many of my other cast members were not feeling good. They also were like experiencing the same symptoms. They also felt fatigued. They felt a little bit of congestion, but like not enough that we were like really concerned. Like, I feel like I barely have any congestion right now. You can even hear it in my voice, which you probably can't because a lot of people were telling me they couldn't hear it in my voice. So I think I am gonna try and tackle some projects, and then as soon as I get tired, we're gonna rest and we're gonna watch Netflix and we're gonna catch up on Emily in Paris. But I'm kind of taking this as a sign from the universe to rest and relax. Listening to our bodies, we're listening to the universe. We're just gonna vibe it out, and I'm really grateful that you guys are here with me watching this. Bonnie? Yeah? Hi. 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 Oh, my sweet girl. Yeah. You are a camera hog. You're such a camera hog. Look at you. Okay, so I'm calling this my first round of energy spurts. I got my water here because I need to make sure to hydrate. I think my first little thing I want to do is I want to clear off the island, including doing the dishes, and then I'll have them like sit over here because I have these 2 front closets, which I'm sure you guys have seen before. There's this one that is like extra blankets, bags, tools, and like handy stuff that like would probably go in the garage if we had one. This closet is honestly the biggest headache. However, we have this closet over here, which we call our cleaning / coat closet, but it also is like pool stuff. We have like pool toys, cleaning stuff. We have some coats that we hang up. So I'd really love to reorganize these, but I want to take everything out. But that is going to be my first project of the day. Might honestly be my only project of the day. But first, let's go ahead and start with some dishes over here.
Everyone's taking their shot, but missing out on the cut. I think she knows that. She drives them crazy when she's looking like that. The way she's moving makes them want it so bad. Gets the attention that we wish that we had. Yeah, it's almost cruel, cause I want her to. Oh yeah, I'm running in circles just to make her react. My heart is racing, yeah, I want her so bad. I wanna kiss her, but I know for a fact that she's way too cool. But I want her to. Oh yeah, ripped skinny jeans and tattoos on both her ankles. 21 pilot t-shirt, that's the stuff. Goddamn, she's so fly. Knows how to write a good song, at least better than this. Cause if you've seen her, I know that you would believe it. Cause I know that you'd want her to. Yeah, I do. Come on and give it a shot, but you'll be missing the cut. I think she knows that. She drives them crazy when she's looking like that. The way she's moving makes them want it so bad. Gets the attention that we wish that we had. Yeah, it's almost cruel, cause I want her to. Oh yeah, I'm running in circles just to make her react. My heart is racing, yeah, I want her so bad. I wanna kiss her, but I know for a fact that she's way too cool. But I want her to. Everyone's taking their shot, showing all that they got, but they'll be losing the cut.
Okay, I have some pink stuff on my scrub daddy. I'm just gonna do the sink really quick, make it look so good. And here's the after of the sink. I think it looks pretty good. I cleared off this side of the island. This side I'm gonna go ahead and leave as is. It's just got the dishes drying and then a couple things here, including my broken pot, which might be a project for another day. I'm going to take a little bit of a break. I'm gonna watch some more Emily in Paris, maybe like one episode, and then we're going to empty out those closets and kind of put everything on there. I wonder if I should do one closet at a time.
But we hit the road. Doesn't matter where we go and destination unknown. I don't care where the motor stops, cause when I want it, then I want it. Yeah, I want it, oh I want it, let's go. Look around, where's the people at? I want a taste of the good life. Hit me with it, right now I'm in it. Cause when I want it, then I want it. Yeah, I want it, oh I want it, let's go. And I won't look back, yeah. I don't care about the bad shit back home. It's Cincinnati, baby, I just wanna let it go. Nothing matters when we're way out here. Oh, yeah. Maybe I don't have to know your real name. I'm just addicted to the way you take the pain away. Nothing matters when we're way out here. Oh, yeah.
My next step is taking the organizing bins I already have and seeing the best layout for how they fit into the closet, and then from there I'm going to make categories for the things that I have and try and sort them into the bins that I laid out so that it makes the most sense for me.
All right, here is a close-up. So I have 6 bins, 7, 8. I have 8 big bins, or I have 2 large bins. I feel like I have 6 medium-sized bin and then 2 small and then 1 like really tiny bin. So I'm gonna make my categories and then try and divvy them up amongst all of this. Everyone gets to that point when you're doing an organization project where you're amidst the chaos and you're like, oh my god, why did I start this? But you just have to get over this little hump and the rest gets easier. So I made my categories and then I realized I think I need like subcategories. So you know what, now I'm just randomly trying to fit stuff in but like keep to the categories. And it's okay if I'm like, I've done this a million times already where I like organize a bin, think it's gonna work, and then I realize I need to reorganize it. So just go ahead, take the extra time to do that stuff, but I'm gonna start trying to put things together. Right now I have my outdoor category. We got a hammock, an umbrella, lanterns, flashlights, things like that. So camping category, I think. All right, this bin seems pretty good so far. Hammock, umbrella, lanterns, a singular lantern really, flashlights, hand warmers, things like that. And honestly, if you know my channel and you know where I am, you'd be like, well, why do you need hand warmers in Florida? We don't, but I am like always cold. I have low blood circulation. And also I spent a few months in New York last year, so I was like, I need those. Wow, my Southern really came out. There's a Southern lady on the show I'm watching right now, and she's real Southern, so it's coming out in my voice. I almost feel like I want to start a petition for furniture companies to stop putting Allen keys in their kits because, God, I dropped some. I have so many. I just feel like they're so affordable. People should just go out and buy them themselves. I'm sorry. It's like a screwdriver. Who doesn't have a screwdriver? At least some kind of screwdriver. It's wasteful. Like, can you throw away metal? Where did that go? Okay, I dropped one on the floor. I can't find them. This might be extra, but I'm gonna go ahead and take some Febreze and spray these blankets just because I feel like sometimes when things sit in the closet, they can get a little musty. So when my guests pull out the blankets, I want them to smell fresh.
Started out so small. We drank and then we talked. She got to know me, I got to know her, and suddenly it's war. Then peace are on and off. She's getting to me, I'm getting to her. Here's what I've been thinking. Here's what I would do. When two people are sinking, you should get them out the pool.
Pause on the closet organization because honestly this is something I've been wanting to do for a long while, and that is change the knobs on this dresser that Chance and I DIY'd a little bit ago. Here's the after. I think it looks so much nicer. This is the before, the after. They're so cute. These little knobs have a little bit of marble in them too, which is nice because then it alludes to some of the other uses of marble. Like up here with these two pieces, and then we have marble out in the kitchen. So, all right, back to the closets. This is the chaos that is pursuing in my life right now, and I'm still so amazed that all of this fit in those closets. I'm thinking most of my fitness stuff will like stand on its own. Like my yoga mat here. We have this second yoga mat here, right? Like it just stands, and then like this like muscle roller stands on its own, and then at the bottom there are like some like weightlifting gloves, so then this can like live there, right? That doesn't look too bad, and then I can just like stuff that in there. I got like this little resistance band, stick that in there, and then this little block that I'm gonna be honest, I don't really know what it's for, don't use it too much, but bam. And then I'm thinking maybe in that bottom bin I can throw like pool stuff. All right, that is our like pool toy box. I think it doesn't look organized, but it is organized, okay? And then this box is technically like coming in over here because there's not anything in it, and these are just fabric bins, and they're from the Dollar Tree. But we press forward and see what else we can get done. I honestly would love to keep some sort of like cleaning supplies in here. Maybe we go low with that because I feel like that's something I'll use more often. So maybe in one of these bins, let's see. Shamefully, I have not picked up the camera in probably about 30 minutes to an hour. It's not that I haven't been doing stuff or getting stuff done. I just kind of got into a flow, and then I was like, oh, I'm going to do this little project that's like not part of this closet project, you know, because sometimes filming, I want to make sure things look good for you. So I want to be organized with my thoughts, my process, and my organizing, because I feel like that's the most coherent for you guys to enjoy as content, but it's just not how I always function as a human. Let me, first of all, I just think it's so satisfying. This is 1000% entirely like a me project thing that I've slowly over the last couple days before I even found out that I was sick. Which, I mean, I'm sick. I'm just not like out of commission sick, which is like unless I can't physically do things, I just don't consider it sick. But look, I got all of these little containers, and I was just filling up the pasta one that's like way back there. And then I was like emptying some snack boxes, organizing, stuff like that. It looks so good. I mean, I wish I had a before shot, but like I said, I've been organizing that for a few days, and it still has more organization to go. Oh, the medicines and stuff are terrible. But look, empty bin, another empty bin, another empty bin. Look at this counter. Hey, look at that. Much more clear than it was before. One thing I have not figured out is how I'm planning on storing all of my extra like bags. I think 1, declutter. 2, I don't know, I kind of wish I had like a big basket to put them in. But any basket that I have, I mean, I do have that empty one. Okay, so let me like play around with the floor plan in the cleaning closet. Oh, but before I do that, let me show you what it's all looking like in here. Top of the closet, we have all of our blankets rolled up. I have our outdoor stuff. We have extra linens, a towel I use for like paint projects in there.
Down here, I have some of our tools, our hardware, some eyeglasses kits, cleaning stuff here. I just think that's more accessible right there, and I've been wanting that. In this middle one, I have some pool towels. These are actually pretty cool. I have 2 more of them, so they're gonna fit in there perfectly. Chance's mom got them like monogrammed for us for Christmas. And then I have an extra bin, so room to grow. Down at the bottom here, I have some pool stuff over there, and then my fitness stuff. I have the extra decorating stuff, wallpapers, wall liners, light bulbs. I have giant Jenga, and just my fitness stuff in the corner. And then over in the other closet, I have extra like mop heads there. I have Dyson batteries. I have more cleaning products that I just don't use as often. I can, you know, whenever. And then this is a basket of attachments for the vacuum, for my carpet cleaner, for the steamer, things like that. On the wall, I have like the Swiffer, the duster, the mop hanging up there. That thing is just from the Dollar Tree. And then the bottom's empty for now, some extra coats. And y'all, these are just extra bins that I just need to put away or to clutter or send to Goodwill. This is great. This is looking good. I'm really proud of myself. I made these really cute little labels for the bins. I put some of them on already. So I have some over there and there. Oh, I guess I only put those 2 on. But now I'm gonna put these on. They're gonna be so cute. Okay, and I think my next step is just going to be clearing off the last little bit of like clutter that's over here. So let's do a time lapse of that.
I don't wanna waste no time, and you don't wanna waste your love. Even though your kiss on fire, my mind is all blurry now. Feeling low, hard to breathe.
Hi, baby. Oh, they ran. They got scared. So the kitchen was cleaner, but then I made dinner. I scrubbed the sink, but that's not one of the things I wanted you to notice. There's technically 3 projects that I want you to notice.
Wow. This looks so good.
I just want you all to know that he opened this door not for any other reason than we hang our keys there. And so that's just part of coming home.
Yeah.
Doesn't it look good?
Yeah.
I reorganized all of it.
That's cute.
And there's some empty bins.
That's cute.
You like the labels?
Yeah, I do. That's linen.
I want you guys to know that he is specifically looking at this one. Our word for 2023 is adventurous, so this bin is for our adventures. That's what he thinks is so cute. Okay, that's project number 1.
I saw some things that are actually going here.
Oh, I gave it away. Project number 2.
That is
Isn't that cool? Wait, you're gonna spill it.
That's great, though.
If you don't tip it upside down, the things don't fall out. That system was working till you got home.
I like it. It's really clean and organized, baby.
Thanks, Bubba.
Great.
All right, there's a 3rd project that I think
I'm kidding.
I think it's gonna be harder for you to notice.
Really?
Yeah. No. No, it's not the bathroom.
The bedroom looks nice. You made the bed. That looks nice.
I did make the bed.
That's not a jar on the floor. I really like what you've done with the place.
No, that's the cats. Oh, if you guys can see, the cats like to eat the dried grass in our jars. You're getting even colder. Yes, you're very warm. Very warm.
Oh, I see.
Do you like them?
Yeah, they look great.
You think they look better?
Yeah.
I love you.
I love you more, baby.